In this example, I'm going to show you how to integrate this trigo expression. Now in this trigo expression, you can see a sine-square theta, which is a power of trigo function, as well as a product of trigo function. So I got to reduce this to a sum or subtraction of trigo functions in order to integrate. So let me first deal with this sine-square theta. To do that, I will bring in this formula. So I will use this sine square x equals to 1 minus cos 2x over 2. If you were to compare, theta and x is interchangeable. So let me now apply. I have 1 minus cosine 2. Instead of x, I will write theta over 2 followed by cosine 3 theta. So actually this is a half, so I'm going to take the half out, and this is what I have, the numerator of this fraction, and followed by cosine 3 theta. So I will now begin to expand this. So I have 1 times cosine 3 theta and cosine 2 theta times cosine 3 theta. So the first term is easy, I know how to integrate this. But now in the second term, I can see that there is a product of trigo function. So I'm going to try to reduce this to an addition or subtraction of trigo function. I will try to use one of this formula. So this is a product of cosine and cosine, so I'll use this. So cosine 3 theta is alright. But cos 2 theta and cos 3 theta, so if I match, I'm going to let 2 theta be x and 3 theta be y. So I have a half cosine. The addition of x and y means it's an addition of 2 theta and 3 theta, that gives 5 theta, plus cosine, subtraction of x and y, which means I'm going to take 2 theta, minus 3 theta, which gives me a negative theta. So now I need to deal with the cosine of a negative angle. So I'm going to use this. How do I deal with the cosine of a negative angle? You can see that the negative is absorbed. So cosine of negative theta will simply be just cosine of theta. So now I can start to integrate. Integrate cosine 3 theta gives me sine 3 theta over 3. Integrating cosine 5 theta gives me sine 5 theta over 5. And integrating cos theta is simply sine theta. So now I just have to simplify this. I have half times 1/3, which is 1/6. I have a half times a half times a 1/5, which gives me 1 over 20. I have a half times half, which gives me a 1/4. So this is my answer.